HiMo H1 is a definitive adaptable e-bicycle. Its bleeding-edge foldable plan makes it simple to convey and fits in a vehicle, train, or even a rucksack. When collapsed, HiMo takes the state of a simple to-convey box and when let free is worked to suit any rider's stance, tallness, and body outline. HiMo's consistently welded aluminum amalgam outline guarantees sturdiness on even the hardest of trips. HiMo's crystal clear LED display is easy to understand and simple to control, empowering the rider to rapidly power the vehicle on-off, change speeds, and turn the headlights on-off. Ride at full force for up to 30 kilometers on HiMo's 7,500 mAh energy-productive battery. The CHI Easy Steam is a game-changer in the de-wrinkling game. It smooths your garments with incredible steam, and the best part is you barely have to lift a finger. That's because this innovative steamer eliminates crafted by a traditional handheld. Not anymore standing over your fabrics, searching for that perfect angle, or wondering on the off chance that you missed a spot. The real magic happens all in the breathable fabric garment bag. Basically hang from a helpful spot, for example, the back of an entryway, a shower bar, or the storage room. At that point, top off the easy-to-access water cup located in the base of the bag. Next, place one thing on the underlying connect and zip the bag. Let's move to the next technology gadget, i.e. Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaner. Different types of dirt and algae accumulate and stick to your pool's walls and give it filthy looks. The Dolphin Robotic Pool Cleaner takes care of all the dirt and algae through its multimedia system. All that is required for you to do is place the cleaner and get rid of all the dirt from your pool in no time. Its powerful scrubbing brushes provide an efficient cleaning system that can remove all the bacteria, algae, and dirt from your pool within just 3 hours. But there's more. The advanced scanning system makes sure that the pool is cleaned most efficiently without any hurdles. The iSmartAlarm home security system is a DIY, self-monitored, self-controlled home security system. No monthly charges, no contracts required. The iSmartAlarm app permits the client to use their iPhone to arm, monitor, and disarm their security system whenever, from any place progressively. The app shows who is at home when relatives left or returned and the on-off status of every sensor. The app will alarm all assigned individuals with a phone call, SMS message, push notifications, and email when the iSmartAlarm security system recognizes a break-in or unauthorized activity and permits the client to see the home status and well-being with the optional camera. It is available for future home automation and practically limitless expandability. The BenQ e-reading lamp was built to enable you to correctly light your work area without monitor glare, flickering, or other distractions that can be unhealthy for your eyes. Using advanced lighting technology and a curved head, you can light up your entire desk space, even with a multi-monitor setup. It precisely directs the light to avoid monitor glare, enabling a natural, well-lit workspace ideal for high productivity. The BenQ e-reading lamp uses an advanced LED power system to deliver a smooth, soothing light without flickering. This technology gadget has been used for years by professional gamers, designers, and photographers on our monitors to minimize eye strain when working long hours. The CleverMade lockbox was intended to sit directly outside of your front door to secure your valuable deliveries. We realize that some of you are not happy with strangers within your home, so we planned this device to sit solidly directly outside your home in a helpful spot for bundle drop-offs. The package protector can be amassed in minutes with a Phillips head screwdriver or a variable speed drill with a Phillips head. The CrunchCup is a portable cereal cup designed so you can eat on the go. It's comprised of 2 cups, one for the cereal and the other for the milk. Each cup has its own hole so that the cereal and milk don't meet until they hit your mouth. Control the flow of milk by placing the air opening or by halfway covering milk bramble with a lower lip. It is intended to remain upright and to be consumed within 1 to 1.5 hours to maintain freshness. This automatic soap dispenser with built-in infrared motion and precise sensor detection technology detects your hand within 1 pass, which will fast liquid output speed at 4 modes. This soap dispenser can resist a variety of humid environments. The battery compartment can be used in 1 centimeter deep water without worry. There is no need to worry about the humid environment in the bathroom or the kitchen. This gadget can hold 450 milliliters, 15.2 ounces, liquid with visible volume. My friends, if you enjoyed at least one of the gadgets, push like, please. Never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano Sous Vide circles water at the specific temperature needed for entirely cooked meals, regardless of what's on your menu. Nano is adequately small to fit into your kitchen drawer for brisk and simple storage, yet amazing enough to get ready food for a table of 4. This device is the ideal degree of doneness for almost any food based on your personal preference. Chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, hamburger, sheep, pork, and more are on the whole ideal contender for sous vide circulation. The portable mist humidifier adopts newest ultrasonic technology, which can achieve lower power and be quieter. Operating noise of this mini humidifier is less than 30 dB. It won't disturb your rest even at night. No worry while sleeping. It can effectively moisturize dry skin, help you to reduce skin drying and peeling. Besides, it is the best choice for you if your eyes feel dry and sour. Length adjustable so it can combine with different containers, such as mug, normal glass, bottle, or mineral water bottle. The most noteworthy element of the Amazon Echo Show 10 3rd Gen shrewd presentation is that it will identify any dubious presence when you're not home by panning the space for human shapes. If it identifies somebody, it'll send a caution to your telephone. This gadget sits on a mechanized base to turn on consequently at whatever point you cooperate with it. Truth be told, this device can detect when you're in a room and turn itself around to confront you. Consequently, you'll generally have a decent perspective on the screen. Indeed, this empowers the showcase to follow you as you move around the kitchen following plans. Likewise, with a 10-inch HD screen, you'll experience recordings of high caliber. Besides, the Amazon Echo Show 10 uses Alexa as the voice right hand and accomplishes the typical highlights we see on Amazon Echoes.